Hello everyone, I welcome you all today to my YouTube channel. I am Akash and I am really very happy to show you all my end-to-end chatbot project. So as you all can see that I am using Bot Framework Composer to build my chatbot and would be using Bot Framework Emulator to test it. So let's jump right into our emulator as it's in running state. Yeah, so here we test our bot. We used to test our bot, and before we start, I would like to give you as to what this bot is capable of doing. This bot is built for an overseas consulting company where it tries to capture user abroad study plans. We would be seeing as to what all questions this bot would be asking and what all things it will try to grab from user sentences. Talking about the functionalities, I have made it very dynamic. As you all can see, I have tried to embed emojis just to be natural. Not only that, whenever a new person tries to come to this app or wherever this application has been embedded, it would give random messages. Like if I restart a conversation, you see it's now said skyrocket overseas में आपका स्वागत है. This is in Hindi. It's welcoming a user in Hindi. Same way you can put your languages so you make the whichever country this bot is being used to know that people or get that connect. So I won't be testing our bot here. Okay, I would be moving on to Teams as I've as it's an end-to-end project, so I would like to demonstrate it there. So let's move to Teams. Now, if I say here, hi, okay. Sorry, I just went off. I thought you didn't wanted to continue. So this message is coming because I have embedded an expiration functionality where if a user doesn't get any response till 2 minutes, it would expire. That's why when it got a message, it said hello again. Why hello again? Because this user is he has because this user has been interacted with the bot, right? So now it won't give you this message as you all can see, this welcome message, where now it say hello again instead of that. Now let's proceed. What's the okay. May I know your good name? So I would give my name is Adarsh Gali. Let's see. Hello Adarsh Borgalli. May I know which country you are targeting? I would say I am targeting Canada. Okay, so which degree you are opting for? I am opting for master's degree. Got it. Now, can you please help me with which year you are going for your masters? If a user, it also my bot is also capable to validate user inputs. You would see if I type, it would be 2021. Let's say it's a past year now. So it would say that sorry, this 2021 is not valid. We have to enter a correct year which is greater than 2022 or 2021. So we would say uh, that would be 2022 or 3, let's say. So now the validation would pass and it would give us through the next question, which course you are opting, Others Borgalli. So I would say I am opting for data science course. Please help me with your email ID. In this particular input, right, it's going to ask us back that whatever email ID we have provided, do you want to send back to us? Because why I have implemented this functionality here? Because email ID is something crucial. This, once it's been received from our client, he would be connecting you via an email or by a phone. So I have implemented that functionality to this. That was my sole intention, to implement that functionality at this particular email address, because a bot wants to confirm once again from a user whether this particular email address is correct or not. So let's try to see how. My email ID is Rohan C. So I'm trying to validate as always. Sorry, my email ID is invalid. Please enter correct one. So now we would be giving correct one, but let's assume that user makes some mistakes. Let's say my email ID is rohan.bg@gmail.com. Let's see. Okay. Now it says I got this rohan.bg@gmail.com. Is this the email you want to send to us? So no, it's not true. My name is Adarsh, right? So it would, so we can also press this button, or you can also type, no, use Adarsh dot borgalli@gmail.com. Okay. So it's smart enough to take that email address now. Let's try again. I got this now. Others.well. So is this the email ID you want to send to us? So if you say yes, it's going to ask us the next question. And also I forgot to say that I have added this functionality of this typing tool in my bot. You can also add. I would be showing you in my upcoming videos. Yeah, I'm going to make a nice playlist for this. Now if I say yes, can you send me your cell number? So yes, uh, hit me at it's a 9 digit. It's going to validate again. This doesn't seems to be valid. We have to enter a 10-digit mobile number. So I can say now, call me at. This is a random number. Please don't call on this number. It's just show you all my show you this demo. As you all can see that I have tried to bring this beautiful card out here for an user to know what all details it's been going to uh, send to the send on email, as well as going to store it into a database, right? Now let's move on to our AnyPoint platform. Sorry, it got logged up. Overseas. So I have used Mule application to send an email notification, as well as to store that details into our Cosmos DB. I'm using Cosmos DB out here. Yeah. So yes, our middleware application is been deployed. Logs. We would like to check our logs whether that particular user has been arrived or not. Yeah, I guess I say yeah. Others, Borgalli, the country is Canada, everything. It has sent the email as well. Yeah, as you all can see, the email address is also been sent to the client, and with this email address, it you all it can continue. They can continue the conversation, and as you all can see that in my database, right? See here. Uh, Info in my items. Yep, I can show you. Canada. Yeah, yeah, we have that details. So yeah, this is how you can create an end-to-end chatbot. Not only that, there are times when you would like to ask questions to the bot, your creator, right? So yeah, it started it again. If it's okay for you, I would say, uh, who is your creator? Who is your creator? It's typing. Let's see. Yeah, see. Actually, after 2 minutes, my bot got expired. So when I typed this, it was unable to, understand and it throw this message again. Right. So once the bot got started, and when I said who is your creator, it was able to bring this thing as this. So here you all can see that there are times when user want to ask some queries to the bot or to the company where it wants to know something, right? So that's where this functionality comes into picture, where I have used Q&A maker to show you all. And yeah, you can give a text out here. If I, you can also give a link here. As you all can see, it can redirect to my LinkedIn profile. So yeah, you all can connect me. Now, what else I have to show? Yeah, there are times when you would like to cancel a particular conversation. Now you would don't want to continue, right? So you can also type cancel, and you can get a message saying that, "Are you sure you want to cancel?" Let's say yes. So if you say yes, got it. So now it has got stopped. So yeah, that's how I have created this end-to-end application. Hope you all have liked my project, and I would be coming up with a playlist on this where I would be explaining each and everything in detail as to how I have made, how I have implemented this email notification, as well as connecting to a DB using MuleSoft. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.